Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 21st May 2026. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, follow Srimat and make everyone happy. You have been making everyone unhappy by following devilish dictates. Now give happiness and receive happiness. Question. By understanding which secret do wise children make effort to claim a high status? Answer. They understand that this is a play about happiness and sorrow, victory and defeat. The play of happiness will now continue for half a cycle. There will not be any type of sorrow there. The new kingdom is now going to come. For that, the Father has left his supreme region and come here to teach us children. Now make effort and definitely claim a high status. Song is: The world may change, but we will not change. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Having donated the vices to Shiv Baba, never take them back. Protect yourself from the evil spirit of body consciousness. All other evil spirits come through this evil spirit. Therefore, practice remaining soul conscious. Number 2. Don't have any desire to go into trance or have visions. Make effort while keeping your aim and objective in front of you. Give everyone happiness by following Srimat. Blessing for today. May you be a karma yogi who always carries out constructive work in the service you do while being aware of Karvanhar, the one who inspires actions. Details are: transform any act with the stage of a karma yogi. You are not someone who just acts, but you are a karma yogi. Karma means a relationship, and yoga means for the sake of God, and so let there be a balance of the two. While looking after the livelihood of your body, do not forget the livelihood of yourself, a soul. Whatever act you perform, let it be for godly service. For this, always remember the saying about being just an instrument for service, and remain aware of being Karvanhar, one who acts. When you do not forget Karvanhar, you will continue to be constructive in the service you do. Slogan is: The reason for obstacles in service, relationships, and connections is all sanskars, and so have disinterest in those sanskars. Avyakt signal. Constantly experience an unshakable, immovable and constant stage. The most elevated throne to be seated on is Bap Dada's heart throne. However, before sitting on this throne, you need the throne of a stage that is unshakable, immovable and constant. You can only remain stable on the throne of a constant stage when you have the practice of remaining seated on your immortal throne. Just as those tapasvi always sit on a seat, similarly, you should remain stable on the throne of a constant stage of soul. Do not leave this seat, and only then will you receive the throne. Om Shanti.